Hello and welcome to another installment of Kwentong Tambay with somebody who I haven't done a Kwentong Tambay with the exception of the last video where we talk about comics, where Jonas appeared for 1 second. 1 second. Can you tell me something about yourself, Mr. Jonas?
We're long-time friends. I'm a comic book artist, but I usually
Since when? 1975?
If I'm not
1980.
mistaken, 1998. 1998. We've been. I called you up one day on your phone, out of the blue, because of your Balbonic friend.
I thought he was a stalker.
He gave me your number, and then,
Another stalker.
and I called you, and we had a common fondness for chickens.
Really?
Yung brown, ano yun? Yung that fried chicken place that's now closed. Brownies or something. And
Brownies.
Yes.
Brownies, yes.
And then usually the time we meet And
Okay.
then you formed the Laguna Artist Group. Then we've been buddies for life.
For life. Okay, what do we talk about today?
Design bill siguro.
Actually, Jonas, I don't have any idea what I know there was a design bill that was recently passed, but I don't have any idea what it is. Can you enlighten
Actually,
us?
It was principally authored by Teofisto Gingona III. Ang pinaka-aim niya is to help the creative industry. So when you say design bill, hindi siya basta graphic design, inclusive siya, kasama ang architects, ang game development industry, even ang mga comic book artists.
Specifically, nakalagay doon, comic book artist? Hindi
comic
naman.
book industry kasama siya sa
Nasa wording mismo?
as far as I know, yeah.
Talaga?
Kasi nung inano namin siya, made sure na na parang naka-specify yung bawat industry. So yung architecture, yung game development, yung mga graphic designers, yung mga at yung comic book industry. Primarily, I think kasi nagkaroon ng interest dito kasi I think there was a study recently na they found out that the design industry as a whole is really big, but it goes largely untapped. Tapos marami sa ating mga practicing designers, creatives, ang sabihin natin minsan na-take advantage in terms of copyright or intellectual property na nanakawan. Marami din sa ating mga designers at kasama na yung graphic artists na nagtatrabaho for very low salaries, very low rates because hindi nila alam yung ano ba yung standard, ano ba. So the design bill hopes to at least get the ball rolling on addressing most, if not all, of these issues and help us to become a better organized and a bigger, much profitable industry. Yun yung ano na.
Pag-aaralan ko yung bill na yan, siguro maglalagay ako ng link dyan somewhere sa description. I'll put a link in the description to the design bill. I'm sure it's online somewhere, and I would invite everyone here in the Philippines, if you are an artist, if you're in the creative field, to go and check it out. You know, maybe it can help you, improve yourself, improve your standing in the field of art, graphic art here in the Philippines.
Lectures about what are your intellectual property rights as
that's very important
as an artist, kasi marami tayong mga fellow artists na kadalasan na nanakawan or na-take advantage kasi at syempre okay na lang sila kasi hindi naman nila talaga alam kung what are their rights as creatives and artists.
What we mean by intellectual property is if you are an artist and you create something, if you create a drawing, nag-drawing ka, if you design something, it's your property. It's something that's created with your mind and your talent. That's your intellectual property. dito sa Philippines, it's often minamaliit siya, yung ganon. Parang papel lang naman yan eh. It's only paper. Why is it so expensive? They don't understand that it's a product of experience and of talent and of training that went into that drawing.
And ang isa pa sa mga inaano ngayon, marami tayong nakikitang mga kontrata ngayon pinapipirma sa mga artist na parang yung mga once may ginawa ka, automatically lahat ng ginawa mo sa ano mo na yun, sa sa kung sino man nag-employ.
Well, depende sa kontrata na yun eh.
Oo.
I think sa existing intellectual property law na if you create something for a company and you sign the contract, you know, waiving the rights to your creation, ayun na yun. Hindi na sa'yo yun.
Oo. And
So,
I think yun nga, the lectures hope to at least enlighten our fellow artists na anong ibig sabihin nito, kasi minsan, well, actually kadalasan gagawin na lang natin is bibigyan ako kontrata pero hindi mo na talaga babasahin kasi hindi mo naiintindihan masyado. Sa-signan mo na lang because you want the job, not realizing na you're signing away pala something that isang bagay na hindi mo na-realize. Part is makredit ka man lang at least
and
dun sa...
it's very valuable. The intellectual property is very valuable. Kaya nga, personally, myself, as an artist, aside from working for Marvel and DC, where I work for characters created by other people and the copyright is owned by other people, I make it a point to create my own characters like Elver, Wasted, and my upcoming projects like Rodsky Patotsky. I want to create something that's myself, it's my own, because I know that my own creations will benefit me in the long run.
Ang ganda nga ng kanilang ano eh, in fact yung poor man's copyright, ginagamit, isa na yun sa mga sinadya sa amin na pwede nilang i-discuss on how that works.
Paano nga yung poor man's copyright, Jonas?
You take basically, halimbawa, nakaisip ka ng character, sinulat mo yung history niya, nag-drawing ka ng mga character sketches, models, ganun. You take a copy, photocopy, or scan, tas print out mo. You basically register mail, this is important, register mail it to yourself. Kasi kapag ni-register mail, nagkakaroon ng official record sa isang government sanction, which is the post office. Tapos you send it to yourself. But you don't open it when you get it.
Kasi it's proof of when your work existed. Kasi copyright law, as I understand it, by virtue of creating something, it's automatically yours. Sa'yo na yun. Pero you don't have any proof for it. You can put a date, pero what's your proof na talagang sa date na yun mo ginawa? So the solution is, you made it to yourself. Make sure na very clear yung date stamp, and don't open it like Jonah said. That will prove that your work existed at that particular time.
Alam mo kung bakit nila sinuggest yun?
Yes.
Kasi daw, maraming mga incidents ngayon ng mga unscrupulous individuals, not even here, but in other countries, who steal some Filipinos' creative works. Kasi sinasabi nila na kapag they are called upon it, parallel development. So para sinasabi nila na nung time na ginagawa mo yan, ginagawa na rin namin. And if you don't have official documentation na that your work was already existing or in development during a certain period of time, wala kang panalo dun sa kasi
pero on the internet, 'di ba, pag nag-upload ka ng image, meron stamp yun eh, date stamp yun eh, na when you uploaded it, 'di ba? Hindi ba enough proof yun?
Pero alam mo naman sa Pilipinas eh. Mas may weight pa rin yung printed so gusto pa rin nila ng something official na may stamp talaga at saka
For instance, like itong camera, when it takes a picture, meron na talaga siyang timestamp that's embedded within the image, di ba?
Supposedly, dapat okay na yun. Pero yun yung isa sa mga suggestion nila. Just in case, sabihin natin wala kang access do sa mga yun, then you only have your ability to go to the post office. So that's one of the simplest ways now. But they promise na they'll clue us in on other methods that you can use to help register and document your work. Kasi apparently, that's only one of the especially halimbawa gumagawa ka ng comics na nagsisimula ka pa lang sa hindi yan tapos in one day, may process yan. So there are several methods that you can use to make sure that documented yung work mo, protected siya para by the time lumabas siya at may lumabas din na iba na kaparehong ng gawa mo, meron kang laban if you decide to take it to the court para maprotektahan yung pag-aari mo. Kasi usually ginagawa ng mga tao ay magrarant lang sa Facebook, di ba? Kasi wala, parang feeling nila powerless sila kasi anong gagawin mo pag nakita mo yung design mo dun sa kundi rarant ka lang sa Facebook. Usually naman nakakapampalubag loob lang pero nasa kanila pa rin yung work mo. So hopefully with knowledge and we will be equipped with the tools to fight and protect our rights as comic book creators.
Okay. This has been a very serious Kwentong Tambay video with Jonas. I'm learning right now that when I make a Kwentong Tambay video with Jonas, it's going to be a very serious one, YouTube. Very serious.
Si Johnny yung patawa sa atin.
Okay. Till next time. Bye-bye. Teka, Jonas. Kapag dito sa description ng video, maglalagay ako ng link about yung intellectual property law, pati na yung bagong design law, so people can read up on it para meron din silang knowledge about it. Lahat ng relevant links that you would need para to empower yourself as an artist.
Most probably you're going to find it dun sa page mismo ni Teofisto Gingo sa Senate. The third.
Hanapin ko yun, I'll put the link in the description. Okay, sige. Till next time, really bye-bye YouTube. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na naman.